I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play the basic guitar riffs for Still Is Still Moving to Me by Willie Nelson. Like a lot of his songs, there's a lot of ad-libbing that goes on. He makes up the solos as he's playing them. But I want to show you the basic elements that he uses to do this particular one. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the tab so you can look at it while you're watching the video. I'll be referring to it, and everything I say is going to make a lot more sense that way. Looking at the first melodic figure in the first measure, strangely enough, you're going to put your first finger, a lot of firsts in this, on the first string, 7th fret, middle finger goes on the 2nd string, 8th fret, and your ring finger goes on the 3rd string, 9th fret. So that way, without moving your fingers, you can play. So you can play the 2nd and 3rd strings, switch to the 1st and 2nd. For the 3rd measure, slide up 1 fret, slide down. You're going to slide all the way up to the octave with your ring finger, back to where you were. That look familiar? You're going to repeat that lick. And then you're going to just lay your finger across the first 3 strings on the 7th fret. Back to where you started. What Mr. Nelson does besides that is basically just change the rhythm. So what you can do is make up your own solo. Memorize those licks just as they are, and then just kind of change the rhythm. This is by far the shortest lesson I've done. I've discovered that me describing it in words doesn't really do you guys much good. Remember, it's a video. You can reverse, forward, pause, all that stuff. And there's also a big gray box below. Please ask questions if you didn't understand something. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been a lesson on how to start playing the guitar licks from Still Is Still Moving to Me. Thank you for watching.